Is under what conditions is the phenomena of total internal reflection of the light observed? ओके तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन है कि लाइट को डेंसर मीडियम टू रेयरर मीडियम जाना चाहिए और सेकेंड कंडीशन है एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस शुड बी ग्रेटर देन क्रिटिकल एंगल. तो देयर आर टू कंडीशंस. ओके two conditions must be met for total internal reflection. First condition is light should travel from first condition is light should travel from optically denser medium to rarer medium. And second condition is angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle. ठीक है, ये हो गया. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है ऑब्टेन द रिलेशन बिटवीन द क्रिटिकल एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस in the critical angle and the refractive index of the medium. Suppose there is a interface. Suppose there is a interface which separate two medium 1 and medium 2, and this is a normal a light ray incident. Suppose a light ray incident at an angle such that angle of refraction becomes 90 degree, then this angle of incidence will be critical angle and angle of refraction is 90 degree. This is the medium 1 of refractive index mu1. This is the medium 2 of refractive index mu2. Medium 1 is denser medium and medium 2 is rarer medium. We have to find critical angle. According to Snell's law, here light of refraction takes place. So according to Snell's law, mu1 sin I will be equal to mu2 sin R. So mu1 sin I, angle of incidence is theta c, is equal to mu2 sin R, and angle of refraction is 90 degree. So sin 90, value of sin 90 is 1. So sin theta c will be equal to mu2 by mu1. So theta c will be equal to sin inverse mu2 by mu1. This is the critical angle. So हमें फाइंड करना था रिलेशन बिटवीन क्रिटिकल एंगल एंड द रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स ऑफ द मीडियम। तो हम लोगों ने ये रिलेशन फाइंड कर लिया है।